Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you scoop import type last modified. So in my quick start Cloudera I have the database mkd, and in mkd I have a table dd, and this is the information from this table dd. First, what I need to do, I need to import this table to HDFS using scoop, and after that what I will do, I will modify this name, uh, and I'll do import again after having modification. Okay, and then what I'll do, uh, I have I have already imported this table to HDFS. So you can see the scoop import, connect JDBC MySQL Quick Start Cloudera, and this is the database, and username is root, password is Cloudera, and this is the mapper one table dd, and target directory is this. Okay, and this is the target directory inside mkd mixture in HDFS. You can see HDFS DFS, HDFS DFS, and the mkd mixture, and then table dd, and same table you can get here. Okay, this is the information inside this mkd mixture, and what I'm going to do, I'll do the modification of this name Hira. I'll do Hira Lal, and I'll do again. Okay, so let me do that. Here let me modify this Hira as a Hira Lal. Okay, so update dd set name Hira Lal, where id is equal to 2. Okay, so let me run this one, select star from dd. So you can see this is the name, this name is modified as Hiralal. Okay, the name is modified as Hiralal, and this is the date, and we need to update this updated table to scoop. Okay, so let me run some scoop command. So you can see on this command we have this is the last command up to here. Okay, so we have modified incremental last modified, check column date last value, and this is the last value. You can see 23 12 and 03. Okay, so this is the last modified date, and merge key is equal to id. So let me run this one, and we have to wait, and it's trying to connect. You can see it will run to MapReduce job. It's trying to connect here. Okay, we have to wait for some times. Yeah, we can see it's running, and we need to remember this t thing. Okay, last modified incremental, before it was append, and now it is last modified. You need to mention the date, and you should you need to know this table describe dd. This date should be date type. Okay, otherwise there will be issue. You can see application id is running, and you can track this application as yarn application -status, and we have all information in this here. Okay, inside table dd we have all information, so it's still running, and we can track this. We can track this also. Let me wait to complete this one. You can see there's a first mapper is running, and there will be another mapper. Okay, and the reducer will be run here. You can see the first mapper and second, it's completed now. Okay, there's a 2 map reduce job. Okay, and here it's going to close, and I think we can, the job is completed now. Second job is completed now. Application id is 02, and here is 03. So there is 2 reducer is running also. and when you do only import, then only one mapper, one reducer. Here you can see two mappers running. You can see another mapper starting to complete. Guys, in this playlist I have other videos also, how to do incremental append and how to import whole table, or how to import table with a condition. So all those videos I have uploaded in this playlist. Please don't forget to watch all those videos also, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here you can see another mapper is running, and this one is completed and it's waiting for another one. So what it's doing, first mapper is just taking this updated data, and second mapper is updating that existing table. And you can see it's 100% completed. And the job is finally completed. Okay, so let me run the same command here again. You can see the Hira will be replaced as Hiralal. You can see it is Hiralal now. Okay, so Hira is replaced with Hiralal. So guys, this is how you can import in Sqoop using the last modified. Okay, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.